decided to rebuild the office immediately after the civil unrest. We knew we were going to be here. We knew we're going to go back to our patients. So the decision came to me very quickly. Patterson was helpful, very helpful to me in my office even before the civil unrest. So I called Patterson. Kevin and Tony came in here and they examined the area. It was devastating in the beginning, but they assured me that the office can be rebuilt, and then that gave me like a big comfort.
We met with Dr. Ali right away. I think it was Monday morning at 9 a.m. and there was still, issues happening down here. When we came into the office, there was no electricity, and you could just see that the damage was just catastrophic. From that point, Tony and we'd worked with Dr. Ali and we'd asked him if this is where he wanted to rebuild his office, what the next steps were. And to his credit, Dr. Ali said that he wanted to rebuild his practice here because his patients needed him and their families and their oral health really depended on it.
We are one of the very few offices in the whole South Minneapolis area that accept Medicaid, which means children depend on us, underinsured patients, uninsured patients, disabled and unprivileged patients and families. Ever since we started rebuilding until we opened, it was a whole year, and the entire team stayed for the office and came back. I mean, they didn't go somewhere else. So this is something I appreciated, and I didn't expect from them, but it just reminds me that they share the same vision that I have for the office for the patients. After the civil unrest and after we started rebuilding process, I noticed the relationship between me and Patterson is more than just like business relationship. I felt like Patterson was like one of my team.
Patterson is so well equipped with the service team that we have, with the design team that we have, that we're able to help and work with him closely to create his dream, his new dream, from what was destroyed previously.
Patterson was here throughout the whole process. I mean, from the beginning until the end. And even now, after we open our office to our patients, I still receive support from Patterson. They ask me if there's anything they can help with, and that's something I really appreciate. I believe the relationship between me as a dentist and my patients got strengthened. I have to mention that from day one, after the office got destroyed, we received messages, phone calls, emails from patients encouraging us to stay here and continue to serve their dental needs. That meant a lot to me. We want to be here for the patients, we want to come back, and then just seeing that so many patients literally begging us to stay here and not move anywhere else, just like other businesses did. To us, that's very crucial.